Hello, it's Natasha at Crafter with me. Thank you for dropping by. I would like to share with you some ideas how to make cards with scrapbooking supplies. I'm primarily a card maker and I've only recently started making layouts, pages, and I just wanted to challenge myself and to make cards using my scrapbooking supplies and to be more precise, Hip Kit Club stuff that I have. These are October 2018 kits, and honestly I think I used all of the kits. I used add-on color kit, I used Project Life kit, I used embellishment kit, and I used the main kit. But let's jump right in. So I will share with you 5 card ideas, and let's start with the most simple one. So this is basically the card that I made using the cards that you get in the Project Life kit. So you have, I don't do Project Life, but in this kit you get these adorable stickers, which you will see me use later. So, and some other stickers and some stamps, but actually I'm a stamper, right? I like stamping, but I decided to challenge myself and not to stamp anything this time and just to use purely scrapbooking, no stamping. So this is just so the paper from the main kit and the card that you get for Project Life. As I said, I don't do Project Life, but there are some really awesome cards. Like I love this one, for example, or this can be used and you can use like a black sentiment here or something, or these bigger cards that you have here, which are beautiful. You can use them to mat smaller cards like so, you know, and really play around. And if you have some leftover cards that you don't use in your Project Life, or you don't really do much Project Life, you can make a lovely card, which is like, I don't know, it took me 2 minutes to make it, which is not bad, right? Okay, so this is one card. Next card, this one. So in the embellishment kit, in the add-on embellishment kit, you get these 2 absolutely adorable swatch books. There, so pink paisley swatch books. So one book is just pattern swatches, so you have all samples of pattern paper, and this book is phrases and expressions. And so if you take one of their pieces from the swatch book and you cut it, and you will have what's the banting, or what is it? So if it, for example, for a scrapbook page you can use this size, but for a smaller project you can cut it in half. But it was even this was too big for my card, so I cut it in half once again. And so here you can create banners for your cards. And for the sentiment, I used the stickers from the Project Life kit. You get the colored stickers, and you have you get pink stickers, and a lot of them. So like, for example, you have how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 letters E, which is awesome. So you can create longer phrases, or you can create a lot of words and use it on many projects. So one more card. So I just adhered this pieces and stitch them with my sewing machine, and our second card is ready. Okay, my next card is a little bit more artsy, and for this card I used the paints that we had in the color kit, October color kit. So you get this fibers from Shimmer. So everything is from shimmers, creamies, yeah, and also you get absolutely gorgeous shimmer sunflower, which is gorgeous gold. But so I just smooshed this paint onto a piece of watercolor cardstock, and I used embellishments, the flowers, from the embellishment kit. I just arranged them, and I used these stickers, phrase stickers, from the embellishment kit as well. Oh, here they are. So what I love about these stickers that you get 3. You get pink and really lovely colors, which, you know, you can use anywhere. So you can get pink, black, and sort of milky white. So I went for, you could use black for a more bold look, but I went for pink. So, and as a result, I have a very soft and soft card, and I really like how it turned out. And yes, I added splatters with this Creamy's Ride the Tide, which is part of the color add-on color kit. Okay, this is our 3rd card. Next card. The other 2 cards, they are sort of a combination of card and scrapbooking. So I used photographs for these cards. I think they will make a lovely gift for grandparents, for example, or for your family members who are far away. This card I actually plan to give to my husband when he's away on business, and this card will be as a surprise. He will find it in his bag. I hope he's not watching this video, and I won't ruin the surprise. So again, I just used paper from the main kit, and I used these stickers from Project Life kit to embellish the card a little bit. And as you see here, I again used the paints from the color kit to create this backdrop. And the phrase stickers, again, I used black, it in black this time. So I think it's a lovely card, and you know, using the photograph actually will make it more memorable for the receiver, and it will make it more difficult for them to throw it away, right? Okay, and my last card is also a card with a photograph. And for this card, again, I used this swatch box and just adhered them onto a foam squares. And I cut the photographs to the same side, which is 2 by 2 inches. And I think this can make a lovely card, like an anniversary card maybe, or just a love you card for my husband. So I hope you like my ideas. So here we have the easiest card, which just uses paper and Project Life cards. Cards with photographs, which I think will make good memories for your family and friends. More artsy card, and this very clean and simple card, which makes use of the stickers and of the swatch book. I hope you like my ideas. Subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos, and have a great day. Bye bye.